How to fix the message failed to send issues on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the message failed to send issues on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So starting with the step 1, that is to check internet connection. So you need to make sure your device is connected to the internet. And after that, you can simply enable airplane mode for at least 60 seconds. And once you have done that, simply turn it off and check if the problem is resolved. And with that, moving to the step 2, that is to adjust date and time settings. So you can scroll down in the settings and from there you can simply tap on general. And in the general section, you can simply see the option labeled date and time. So simply tap on that. And in this section, you need to ensure that set automatically option is turned on and also confirm that the correct time zone is selected. And now step 3, that is to check iMessage settings. To do that, you simply have to go to the settings and from there you simply have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on apps. And from here you simply have to locate the messages apps and tap on it. And in this section you have to ensure that your iMessage is enabled. And once you have seen that, simply scroll down and tap on keep message. And in this section you can change the settings to forever if it is set to 30 days or 1 year. And with this, moving forward to the step 4, that is to reset network settings. So if the problem persists, you can simply go back to the settings and from there you can simply tap on general. And in this section, simply scroll down to the bottom and here you can see the option labeled transfer or reset iPhone. Simply tap on it. Now tap on reset. By tapping on that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, you simply have to tap on reset network settings. And after that, you just need to enter your passcode and confirm the reset. And with that being said, moving to the final step, that is to update software. So finally, check for the software updates by going to settings and from there, you can simply tap on general and in this section, you can see the option labeled software update. So simply tap on that and if any updates is available, simply install it and then restart your device. And after following all these steps, your issue should be resolved. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.